Yo, what's up, chat? Good morning. I did some off stream work, by the way. It was pretty good, I think. Pretty necessary. Let me show you. All right, watch this, watch this. It's actually not that visible, I guess. But look, a dry little thingy here. Not all these pixels are actually going to process because I placed them too fast. But watch this. Reload. It's here. Look at the size of the request. 3 kilobytes. And you might be asking, Otto, there's a million pixels. That should be a 1 megabyte message, not a 3 kilobyte message. How did you decrease the size of this message by 1,000 times? And the answer is, I encoded it as a PNG with indexed colors. That's right. It's a PNG. So then when I receive it on the client side, I just load it as a PNG, which is super fast because it's a native thing that browsers have to do all the time. And then on the back end, I just gotta make a PNG encoder. Make sure I set the palette to the color palette. Boom. So yeah, good, very good of me. So there are a couple things I want to do this stream. Number one is I have a hypothesis. I have a hypothesis that I was stupid earlier. Remember last stream when we tested it for the first time and there was like a bot that was sending like a million messages over and it crashed the entire thing and we spent like 15 minutes trying to figure out why that was? I might have an idea of why that was. So I'm going to undo the rate limiting right now. And I'm going to see if my idea is correct. And if it is, then I will have to apologize to chat for blaming you guys for making a bot. Okay, got 2 connections. Can place pixels on one and they will indeed show up on the other. What happens if I disconnect? Well, that didn't happen. It didn't happen. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's just jump to testing it then. I'm gonna open this up to you guys, chat. Oh god, you're already connecting. No, it's not. No, don't connect yet. You're gonna crash. It's not gonna work for you. Actually, what does it look like if you go to the old version? What was it? Well, it's not gonna work. I gotta push a change to the front end first. Which is I removed the colors from the front end and the height and width from the front end, so now that's all determined on the back end. The color picker also displays those as determined on the back end. The zoom is a bit smoother. And that's it. Okay. Smooth zoom plus PNG encode. Okay, push this. Wait for it to build real quick. Hold. It's almost online, chat. "20 seconds of building. "38 seconds of build time. It's now deploying. Built successfully. Deployed successfully. All right, so now if I go to... Oh, wait, I have to build this again because I didn't remember to change it back to the ngrok endpoint. Okay. Okay, ngrok, push. All right, one more time. There it goes. You can use AWS for hosting? Maybe. Isn't AWS like super expensive though? I thought about using DigitalOcean for it because they have a load balancer themselves and a Kubernetes service. I don't know. I had problems with EKS when I tried to deploy Squabble. Or no, when I tried to deploy Mogul TV. Okay, now it's deployed. Now if I go to automatedplace.pages.dev. Huh? Nani? It's not working. I mean, this is what it should look like before it loads from the WebSocket. This is exactly what it should look like. But it should be also loading from the WebSocket. The width and height. Why is it not? I think this is just ngrok's fault. Maybe I need to deploy this on an actual server for now. It's getting a bunch of WebSocket connections. It's like it's not turning them into WebSockets. Let me restart it. Bro, moment. Why is this not working? I don't understand. Engrok, you failed me. You worked yesterday. Ugh. By the way, chat, I have to leave at 9. So if I'm still streaming at 9, remind me, because I might forget. I don't understand. Okay. So we're gonna deploy this onto a server. Let me just, I mean, I could just put it on my VPS. No leaks. System restart required. What's even running on this shit? Among Us code bot. Oh shit. Oh, wait. April 16th. April 16th? Bro, people are still using this? People are still using the Among Us code bot. You know this thing? It's the thing that renames the voice channel to the Among Us code. Wait, were you guys... Was I even streaming back when I made this? This was back in early Among Us days. Pre-mods. Before mods. This was when I was playing with, like, XQC. And there were, like, 14 different Among Us servers. And there was, like, a new Among Us server every couple days. And then, like, all the... Because all the, like, bad streamers got invited to them. And then they had to make a new one. And so I made a bot that you could do, like, exclamation point code and then put a code in. And then if you're in a voice channel, it will rename the voice channel to that code. Some of my best work. And people are apparently still using it. Multiple times per day. What else is on here? Widget backend. Ooh, okay. And Fishbird. Ooh, I can't leak Fishbird. Fishbird is a top secret Ludwig project that might come out soon. It's a code name. I'm gonna turn it off though. Okay. Now that we've gone down that trip, now that we've gone down memory lane on a trip down, now that we've gone on a trip down memory lane, I can actually clone. Do I have GH on here? I do. GH repo clone automated place. All right, CD place. CD. Ooh, do I have Rust in here? Cargo. No, Rust up. I have to install Rust. Rust. Is this a Ubuntu server? Must be, right? Nightly. Minimal. Yes. Go. Okay. Installed that CD packages backend. Cargo sync? No, cargo build release backend. Bin backend. This might take a bit. A couple seconds even. And how am I going to host this? I need like an Nginx. Update. Can I show the RGB values of the colors I currently have? Yeah. They would be in my constants file. You'll have to clip this. Could use Haproxy. I use Nginx though. Oh, but for the load balancing, yeah, I'm not even trying to set that up yet. We don't need load balancing when it's just my chat. Because we're so small, chat. Is this what hackers' screens look like? I'm unpacking the packages, chat. It's compiling. 154 out of 211. The password's almost mine. Oh, we got 53% on this right hack. Come on, almost done there, aren't you? This takes a while to build. Why does it even need Prost? I thought Prost was like the shitty stuff that I used to be. I was using with like the old RPC. Chat, the hack is stuck at 53%. This is bad. What am I doing? I'm hacking. This is what hacking looks like. $206 out of 211. Wait, Tonic? Tonic, isn't Tonic the old RPC thing? Is it that's still on my cargo lot? Tommel? Tonic. It's not here. Why is it required? Is it in my cargo lock somehow? Console API. Oh, fuck me. It's the stupid ass console subscriber thing. That's why it's taking so long. Why does it bring so much stuff? It's because this is just a debug thing. It doesn't matter how much stuff it brings. Okay, wait, actually, why is this stuck at 53%? Is it, like, disconnected? Jimothy, holy shit, Mr. Tier 3 for 12 months. That's a year, by the way. Shouts out to Jimothy for spending a bunch of money on me. Uh-oh. I broke my apt cache. Okay, so this is now ready to run. The only thing is I have to figure out Nginx sites available. Okay. So we're going to copy this to place.automated.net. And then... Okay. Is there like a Nginx Max WebSockets? Okay. Nah. I don't know about this. Okay. So now we do the bit of this. And then I have to go to whatever I'm using. Shit, what's the DNS provider that has a pig logo? Pig DNS provider. Pork bun. That search worked. Details. DNS. Oh, wait, I already have a wildcard DNS thing. So if I go to place.automated.net, oh, I have to actually... Okay, and then sudo system restart Nginx. Bad gateway, good. And then sudo certbot Nginx. 2, no leaks. Deployed. Okay, now it's HTTPS. Dude, this used to be my go-to workflow for deploying this shit. Okay, so now I need to... place packages backend. Target release backend. Okay, that should be running. And then target release WebSocket. Uh-oh. Oh, this is a bunch of people going to this website. I get it. And now if I go here and change this to place.automated.net. It works. Guys, you can't go to this website. This is only hosting WebSockets. Now I will play deploy on oops. Do this. Wait for this to build. Okay, we're almost ready, chat. It's almost beta testing time. Keep moving. Okay. Let me... Oh, no. Oops. Built. Run it. Place. Automated place. .pages.dev. We're in. We are in the chat. And you guys all too can be in if you go to this website right now. Are we in? Now I'm expecting this to crash at some point. Also, how did I get 6,000 pixels? This must be a bug. Are you guys in? I can't tell because you're not doing anything. Oh, here it happened. Okay, the bug happened. Bug happened. This is good. I intentionally made it so that the bug would happen. And I would like to now try to track it down. What? Oh, I forgot a semicolon. God damn it. Nani? Why is this not working at all? Oh, here we go. Wait, dude, actually, wait, why is this not working at all? No, you should not run your bots at full throttle. My theory is right. The bots running at full throttle is not actually the issue. Why? I'm so confused. Why is it now suddenly just not working at all? Okay, now it is. Okay, we're running, I think. Yeah, we're running. We're running, chat. We're live. I'm expecting this to crash, though, but your progress will be saved, even if it does crash. We're going 100 pixels per second, chat. 100 pixels per second. You made the high? Which high? There are 3 highs. Okay, who's doing this shit? Whose bot is this? I've stopped receiving Canvas updates. But I still get the initial thing. That's really weird. Okay, I'm gonna try a different theory. What is Binert? Back up, chat. Are we live? Yes, we're live. Let me ping the Discord. Nice. Good dithering. Unfortunate for you, your bots don't overwrite old pixels, so I can do whatever I want to this, and it won't do anything to fix it. Nice. All right, chat. Join up. Join up. See if you can crash this shit this time. I doubt you can. Thanos. Wow, my chat is really unfunny. Chat, you know what to do. Go now. There's a sniper in the building. Good job, chat. This is handling 1,000 pixels per second right now. And it's not even slowing down. Holy shit. God, dude, you did your offset wrong. Oh, Pokeball. Nice. All right, I'm gonna. Oh. What is this? I ran out of available ports? That can't be right, because aren't there 60,000 available ports? So I found, I think, an issue, which is that if there's a thread in Tokyo that gets stuck in an infinite loop, it seems to stop all of the other threads. Is that supposed to be a thing? Also, is this updating? Yeah. Oh, the bots are done. Oh, and here come the bots again. Yes, the zooming is not done yet. That is why it is quote unquote strange. This is Batman. All right. So I'm gonna leave this running, chat. You can connect to it. Please do. Please try to make it crash or whatever. Although you guys already did, I guess, by filling up the ports or something. I'm gonna work on making the zooming better. Okay, number one. Number one victory royale. I want to... When you zoom, it should zoom centered around your cursor. When you drag, it places pixels. Let me actually see if I can fix that real quick. I know about that, of course. Apparently not. Actually, we're not going to focus on that yet because we're not going to have it so that when you click, it instantly places. We're going to have it so you have to confirm. It resets on reload for you? Well, then you're cringe and bad because it's not doing that for me. Nor is it doing it for anyone else. Are we still live, though? Yeah, we're just slowed down because all the bots are gone. Hmm. It's not sending updates. Is that what's happening? No, it is sending updates. It's not updating. Is it behind? It doesn't reset on reload. It just doesn't save your changes. There's a huge difference. Resetting on reload means it goes back to white. Well, that's fine. I don't really care right now because I'm working on the front end. So on wheel, I want to zoom, not only zoom, but also pan. Ah, okay. I don't know how to implement this. Okay. Hmm. Let me restart the WebSocket instance and see if that fixes the issue here. It does. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Okay. So, but on Zoom, uh, let's grab the code. Handle Zoom to view center. Handle Zoom to point. Handle calculate bounds. What is bounds? Handle calculate zoom positions. That's what it is. Okay, so we're going to do new zoom equals zoom plus this. Okay. Then new scale equals this. We'll do const scale distance difference equals this minus this. Actually minus, oops, that. Okay. And then calculated position X. I mean, what's position X? So that's just the mouse position? Handlers. Let me just search this for wheel. Wait, get mouse position, I think. Okay, here we are. Ooh. I need the bound and client rect. Okay. Okay. What is scale? Let's see if this works. No, this is not correct. 261, 340. 154, 161. So this is just incorrect. So this should be 1-1. It's not. Why is it so cringe and bad? Why is the left and top 0? Is it because of this? No, it's just bad. What? I don't know why this is happening. What? This works? What the fuck? What if I do this? Okay, I think this actually does it. What? It's suddenly not working again. Is this a bug in Chrome? Chat, what the fuck is wrong with this? Console.log ev.target. Wrecked. Too many open ports again. Why is this div so small and bad? Wait, why is this div? Wait, it's not even doing the inner div. Wait, the on wheel isn't even on the inner div. So I can't even what? Why would it not be in here? Okay, I think it's working now. Yeah, it's working now. Okay, got it. Okay, mouse X, mouse Y. I think I want this, though. I want, like, X minus equals mouse X times scale difference. Like this, maybe. Does this work? Okay, ran out of ports again. Huh. Oh. Well, look at that. Now, why is it not working when this is a spring? Like, why is it springing like that? I see the giant Ludwig face forming here. Um... I see. I get it. I get it. I get it. We need to transition. We need to transition this actual zoom thing. We have to. We have to transition the X and the Y. On the spring, is there like a method for set immediately? An object with hard or soft. Hard sets it immediately. Soft preserves. Soft true. Okay, gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. So what I want to do is let X equals spring 0. Y equals spring 0. And then X dot set X plus pan delta X hard true. Or X dot update, I mean. Same with Y. And then same thing down here, except now we don't do the hard true and soft true. Or hard true. And we're actually adding, we're subtracting this. Now, I have to do this again. Oops. This works perfectly. What is this? Why does that happen? Why does this happen? It's if I zoom too fast, I think. Maybe if I do this. No, it still happens. What the fuck? If I zoom out twice in a row, it shifts me upwards. See that? So if I zoom in all the way here and then go boop, and then I'm off the top of the map. I don't understand why that would happen. I don't know why that would happen at all. It's because it's non-instant. It's the animation that's doing this. Maybe we just disable the animation. Like, if I wait until the animation is done every time, this works perfectly. I'm always focused on this one pixel. Okay, I'm gonna... Yeah, I have a strategy here. Okay, this is good. Put that there. Do a bit of this. That. And then... Ooh, sheesh. Why does that happen? I guess we can't do that. Cat. Cool. All right. This is pretty good. Anything else we need to do for this? Guess I haven't tested mobile. But then again, we aren't designed for mobile at all. Type connected? What is this? Oh no, that's not the bright WebSocket. Oops. It looks like the page is trying to scroll. Yeah, the page is trying to scroll. How is that happening? The HTML is 896 high. This is 896. If I overflow hidden this, does it work? No. This is already overflow hidden. What if I overflow hidden the body? No, why is this happening? Well, who cares about that right now? It's not even what I'm working on. All right, let's push this. Improved zoom. Okay. I guess the last thing I have to do is um is this Sykkuno? Is authentication. Also, this I gotta make it so that doesn't happen. Okay, is this pushed? Yes. If you refresh the page now, you should have the improved version of Zoom. Indeed. What's this? Is this me trying to grab the image? Weird. Weird bug. Oh, we still have the thing where it places a pixel when you pan. Oh, yeah, we said we weren't going to get rid of that because we're going to add a confirmation for placing a pixel. So, yeah, no. Don't need to work on that right now. There's a massive delay between placing and the canvas updating. Are you sure about that? I wouldn't be surprised since this is running in a very temporary way right now. So you shouldn't judge any of the performance, really. Looks like the deltas are probably backed up. I can test that just by rebooting. Yeah, the deltas are just getting backed up. Probably because of all the bots. You can scroll to top, down, and right without any limit. That's a lie. You're incorrect. Look, you can't scroll up without any limit. There's a limit. Wow. I know you said mobile isn't a focus right now, but here I am going to tell you stuff about mobile that you don't want to hear. Great. Good choice. Um, okay. So authentication. What are we going to authenticate with? Am I thinking about adding a grid? Maybe it can be toggleable. Toggleable. Okay, guys. Ludwig face. I'm shutting it off because of you. You're annoying. We could do Twitch OAuth. We could try Firebase. I kind of want to use. I want to use a managed auth system. So either Supabase or Firebase. I don't want to make my own because then I have to scale that up to that many users. Actually, I guess I could do that in a worker. You can do Firebase with Twitch? You can? No, you can't. That's just incorrect. Unless they added it since I last used Firebase. Yes, you can. It's custom. I don't see any custom providers in this list. It's almost like it doesn't exist. How exactly do you do this? There's a way to do custom authentication. This requires me to have a server now. I don't want to do custom stuff like that. I want this to be managed by me. Or unmanaged by me, managed by Firebase. Yeah, no, cringe. Sorry. I just realized that this is running on Cloudflare, so I can add workers functions without any additional struggle. Any API paths in my Svelte Kit app are going to be worker functions, so I could do just normal OAuth. Oh yeah, but we don't want to use Twitch. We want to use Google because this is Ludwig's project. So we'll just use normal Firebase then. Why would people be forced to sub to Lud to participate? That's the stupidest idea I've ever heard. Alright, let's create a project. God, we need a name for this thing, huh? Any ideas, chat? Ludboard. Wow, that's a callback. Mogul Mosaic is the first good one I've seen. But climb, though. Could be climb. Uh, yeah, I like Mogul Mosaic. Oh, do you think I was serious, Dash? I thought you were. I thought you got my humor. How do you spell mosaic? Is it IAC? No. Good thing I checked before I pressed enter. Google Analytics. Yep. Account, default account. Creating your project. Please wait. Finishing up. Your new project is ready. All right, authentication. I'm on Google, right? No leaks, though. Oh, fuck. Okay. Add a web app. Hopefully this works. No, I don't want it as an adapter. Okay, so we'll make a new file, call it firebase.ts. Import Firebase. Add Firebase. Okay. What is Svelte Strap? Oh, Bootstrap. Ew, gross. Okay, initialize app, Firebase config, const auth equals initialize auth app. Move this out here. And then auth.sign in. Is this a separate? Sign in with pop-up or with redirect? With pop-up probably. No, with redirect. Yeah, with redirect. Pop-up is better. Wow, you just say that, yeah. Huh. What a bad message. Give logic. There's so many other things you could have said, like, ooh, I think pop-up is better because the user will be instantly on the same page and they don't have to exchange pages. And then I would have responded by saying, no, I think redirect is better because I want the user to see the page load for the first time with no sign-in thing over it once they're signed in. So that's what you should have said. Well, sorry. Oh, it doesn't look like you're sorry. That's going to be a timeout for 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to make a button here. A login button. I only want to initialize Firebase on a browser, I guess. Shouldn't this config be private? Ooh, you're right. You can hack me now. Go ahead and hack me using the config that I've accidentally leaked. No, this worked. Okay, where's the button? Oh, I didn't put anything in the button. Kind of hard to see if you don't do that. Auth argument error. Well, okay, what is the argument error, though? Pop-up redirect resolver. Where's the docs that I'm looking for? There's nothing in here about parameter errors or whatever I got. Argument error. Thrown if handle code in app is false. Handle code in app. I think this is just wrong. Argument. Thrown if a method. Come on, dude. Yeah, I get that it's called with incorrect arguments, but it's not though. Assert auth dot pop-up redirect resolver. What is this? Null. Pop-up redirect resolver. What is that? What is this resolver? It's optional. There's nothing in this interface. Expected a class definition. Okay. Const resolver. New redirect. God damn it. What is this resolver? Pop-up redirect resolver. This is an interface. Firebase pop-up redirect resolver. Thanks. Was this helpful? No. Thank you very much. Oh, browser pop-up redirect resolver. Maybe I need to pass this in. Oh. Okay, it worked. Okay, I think it worked. I think I'm logged in now. Cool. But if I go to here now, it still says no users for this project yet. So maybe I'm not signed in. Trying to think. What do I have to do? Like, what should the login look like? What should the rest of the UI look like is the question. Let me make the canvas 1,000 pixels by default real quick. Okay, so there's a couple things I'm noticing here. Number one, the canvas is a square and the page is a hot dog. So there's always going to be a lot of room to the left and right to put stuff. Unless you're zoomed in. But by default, if the canvas is in the center, which actually... What's the default zoom to? Let's make the default zoom be... 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't pan. Why could I not pan when I did that? 6? Oh, 6 is the max, I guess. If we can figure out how to center this. So this, okay, wait, hold up. This is a 1000 by 1000 pixel canvas right now. It's not constrained. Like it doesn't fit inside the page fully. I mean, I guess what I could do is this. Wait, hold up. What does this do for me? Okay, that does what I want it to do. Yeah. What is this? Why does this have a margin on it? Weird. Doesn't really matter. So when the component mounts, I want to center the canvas. But also, no, wait, I want to center the canvas when the width and height change as well. So let's do that. Oh God, how do I do that? Shit. Oh, I guess I could attach it to the canvas. What if I'll just put the canvas inside the zoomer because it's never gonna be any other way. Get rid of this. Do this. Just have the zoomer. And then the canvas is gonna have an event dispatcher. With resize being width, height, like so. And then when we get a resize, well, first of all, when we boot up, I'm going to dispatch resize width height. And then when we get a resize here, we're going to dispatch a resize if width Soylent6, thank you for the prime sub. If message.fullcanvas.width is not equal to width, or message.fullcanvas.height not equal to height, then I want to do that. And now for something entirely different. So that's our resize here, and then zoomer on resize equals handle resize. Handle resize canvas, we'll call it. Okay, handle resize canvas. And then here I want to do, well, first of all, bind wrapper. Bind this equals wrapper. Here I want to do wrapper const rect equals wrapper dot get bound in client rect. So this should get the rect of the entire thing. I now have this thing, and then I want to do zoom equals 6. No. The zoom This is a math equation, chat. Be very quiet. Shush, don't subscribe to me. Oh. Copy Nightmare. Thank you for the 5 gifted. That's crazy. What? How? Oh, 210 subs. So if we want to get, if we want to maintain 200 subscribers, we need 5 per day. No, that's not true. We need 6 per day. Oh, so we're at that level. We're at higher than that level. We got 7 subs today. Only 7 subs though? Chat. There's 300 people here. There should be at least 10 people in chat whose Twitch Prime renewed today. Chat, this might be you. This is your time to check if you have your Twitch Prime available. Because I know myself personally, sometimes I just don't remember that I have it available. And if you don't do that, if you don't, like, what I'm asking for, chat, is 30 seconds of your time, right? 30 seconds of your time to tab in, check if you have a Twitch Prime, tab back out. Like Volp35 did. See, Volp35, their Twitch Prime renewed today, or sometime soon, or sometime recently, and they didn't know it was renewed until they checked just now and then used it on me. This is a huge advantage for you. And do your thank you for the tier 1 as well. You don't have to Twitch Prime. You don't have to tier 1. You can just Twitch Prime. But either one, I appreciate. Now, back to this hardcore math equation. Immortal and Zod, thank you for the Prime as well. Oh, God. This is the time of day when the sunrise shines right into my eyes through the window. And I have to close the window. Okay. So, what I'm trying to do, Chaz, I'm trying to calculate the zoom amount that will make the canvas fit the most of the screen as possible. So let me add a new zoom level that's 0.75. Which allows us to go out to here. So this is a math equation. So we have a rect dot height. And we have an ev.detail.height. I get up to get down to get in and I'm out and it makes sense, but it clicked in my head. So why is this not happening? Excuse me? This should be happening when it mounts. Maybe I'll just dispatch it here. Okay, 953 by 1000. Wait, why is it 953? Oh, 953 is the actual height. Okay. You are the Okay, so back to the zoomer. So here we have the height of the rectangle that it's fit in. So the height of this 953, this is the height of this screen right here. And the 1000 is the height of the canvas. So there's going to be one zoom amount. Okay, wait, what's this divided by this? 0.953. So that's the target zoom. So for let potential zoom of zoom amounts. No, we have to do let I equals 0, I is less than zoom amounts dot length I plus plus. If zoom amounts I is less than this, console.log I. 7. It wants to set it to 7, which is actually exactly what it should set it to. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if I do this, and I make the screen size the height 2000, very big screen now. Then I reload. Still wants it to be 7. Huh, weird. Oh, no, but it wants it to be 5 first. Okay, got it. So it's the first one of these. Now, there's a possibility that the screen will be vertical. Okay, so this wants the... Let me actually undo this. This size we want height 7 and width 7. They both agree that it should be 7. If I do this, height 7, width is... I guess the minimum? Wait, actually, why? How did the canvas shrink itself? Well, that's not good. I don't want it to shrink itself. I'm going to do that manually. This is probably my least favorite message to see in chat. 7 himself v1. It's so presumptuous. It's so presumptuous, right? It's like, yo, I know more about r/place than you do, and you're doing something wrong. You should stop doing what you're doing. Why are you making one? When they don't even know what I'm doing. They just got here, right? They didn't ask, what's this for, right? They didn't ask, are you planning to run this 24/7? They went straight to, you're doing something wrong. Why are you doing this? This is this is the first time I've engaged with this person, with this type of person, but this happens very often. There's been maybe a couple dozen people coming in with this exact same thing. This is not going to be a game. This is not going to be a thing that's running 24/7. Ludwig, who's my boss, asked me if I could make a version of r/place in case he wants to run events with it. Not 24/7 events. 12-hour events. Or something. Something that's spaced apart. Maybe not 5 years apart. But not a game. That's why you're annoying and cringe. I didn't time you out, by the way. That was my mod. I want to get rid of this. Wait, now the canvas is bigger than 1,000 by 1,000. Oh, because I made it fill its container. Oh yeah, that's the other point. This is super fun to make. The challenge of building this backend, it was crazy. It's my first time working with a distributed system of this size. I've learned a lot. I'm letting you down. I'm letting you down. I can use these skills in the future for a lot of things. In fact. All right, back to resize stuff. What does 0.5 and 0.1 look like? This is kind of cool. I don't object to this being possible to zoom out to this. The only reason I was like not allowing you to zoom out this far is because I was like, maybe you don't want to zoom out this far, but this is kind of cool. Kind of cool to see it that small. So I'll keep that, and then the width wants to be 9. The height wants to be 7, the width wants to be 9. So we'll do let x zoom equals not 9, I think, is the maximum. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 9. X zoom equals 9. Y zoom. Well, no. Let x zoom is a number. Y zoom is a number. Okay, so if Y zoom is undefined and this, and then if X zoom is undefined and this. It's annoying because the zoom becomes really hard to use. I guess I could add like I could hack that by doing like a 0.95 and then a 0.9 in here. So then when you zoom, it like slows down in the middle. So it's less likely that you'll zoom out all the way. That makes sense? That's what this looks like. I like that idea. And it's easy to implement. X zoom number, Y zoom number undefined. And then if this happens, then I want to do Y zoom equals I. And here I want to do X zoom equals I. And then after this for loop, zoom equals math dot max X zoom, Y zoom. So now, reload. If I make this small, it makes it, look, it perfectly fits. At scale 0.5. If I make this a tiny bit smaller, it jumps all the way down to 0.1. Because I didn't add something between those. But that's perfect. So this zooms the perfect amount so that it'll fit in both the X and Y axis. Except in this case, it seems to have not done that. Wait. Seven. Is there something out here for me? Zoom mouse eyes. No, okay. Well, I'm just gonna trust that this works because I don't see why it shouldn't. Why it wouldn't. Okay. So the next thing that I want to do is what? Oh yeah, I want to also now center it. So now I have the zoom great, but it's on the top left always. So I want to center it right here. So I know the width of the canvas is going to be. Wait, okay. So I want to do okay. Rect.width. My eyes are closed right now, chat. I'm concentrating. X.width minus width. No, ev.detail.width times zoom. No, not times zoom. Times zoom amounts to zoom. Divide by 2. This it's so complicated. There we go. And chat, I know it doesn't look like it's centered vertically. That's because there's actually a thing up here. Or the canvas area is only here. Ooh, wait a second. That might be why. Oh, shit. I know why this is. There we go. Now it's always, that's why it was off screen before. Okay, so now when I reload, it zooms, it centers the canvas perfectly. This is awesome. See no hear no evil anymore. Self-center. Rounded MD. M1. Okay. Ooh, wait, I want to test something. I'll run an ad in 20 minutes. Chat. Canvas. What else do I know to do? Oh yeah, on wheel. I want to attach on wheel to maybe this. Uh-oh. Oh wait, the thing I wanted to do is I want to see what it looks like when I set this to 1:1 by default. So this it zooms in all the way. Oh god. Zooming does not work very well with this. Probably because of my wheel change. If I move this wheel back in here, this works fine. But you can only zoom when your mouse wheel is over the pixel, so it's kind of weird. Oh, I just opened a different project by accident. I was wondering why it wasn't working. That's actually a goated idea, Quizzo. Let me see if I can do that. Oh, I need to bind inner to this. 37.5 is looking like approximately the maximum. This is 40 by 40. Perfect. Okay, so this divided by zoom amounts dot zoom. But this should be math dot. Well, let's do function clamp number min number max number return math dot maximum. The returns the larger, so maximum between the minimum and math dot min num max. I think that works. So I want to clamp this between 0 and rect dot width, and then clamp this between this 0 and then rect dot height. So now, wow, what a good idea. No, never mind. It almost works. Works for some directions, but not all directions. Let's make the canvas big again. I'll do that by connecting to a local host server so that I can run this. No, yarn backend. Yarn WebSockets. Oops. Reload. Nice. I guess this kind of works. It's really hard to tell what this current zoom is, though. Okay, this is definitely a better experience, I think. Remember what your voice looks like. Okay. What is what does this look like? Okay, wait. That's what it looks like at small scale. No, that's what it looks like. Huh. Well, this is better when it's zoomed out, not having pixelated. Oh, it loaded. It saved my progress. Very nice of it to do that. Okay, I have to leave in 20 minutes. And now it's time to finish authentication, I think. So just bottom from September, scraping breakfast again. Oh, I got I got some good plans for this. All right, so I think that what I am going to do how can I do? Um. Okay, well, so first of all, I need to get my JWT. I forget how to do that. Firebase auth get ID token. No, this is not what I'm looking for. Hey, can you actually export like this? Does it export both of these? Oh, I don't even need to export it. Let's do this. Get ID token. Oh, actually, I do need to export this. Auth dot current user. Is this what I want to do? I don't think it is what I want to do. I think I want to do something more like auth dot on ID token changed. Let unsubscribe is either going to be unsubscribe or undefined. Unsubscribe is, by the way, chat, if you're curious about what this means in code, it's basically the opposite of what you should do if you're watching my Twitch stream and you have a Twitch Prime available. So it's kind of tough to understand at first, but if you check that you have a Twitch Prime, it kind of becomes clear what the opposite is. And kind of like the best strategy to use this in your own code if you want to eventually. Let's see. I want a different thing to have happen when I do this. That makes no sense. I want to change the front end schema, the right schema. Oh, look, I already have a struct authenticate. Well, then that's good. Then all I need is a message, backend message, which can either be authenticate or pixel. So then I would do a bit of this. No. And then we do place dot backend message dot encode. And then here we would do pixel is place dot pixel. Well, actually, I guess I can just do this probably, right? It's so crystal clear and pixel perfect. What's wrong with this? There we go. Okay, and then up here, I want to do place dot backend message dot encode auth token. I get the token from this, right? No, I get the user. Well, I guess the user is fine. Do I get the token as well? No. I just get the user, so I can do token is user dot get ID token. This is a promise? Cool. To make me feel. Okay, auth token, pass that in, boom, all good. Send this message off, then we're authenticated. Oh, 15 minutes, chat. 15 minutes, and then I gotta go. Yo, I tried to snipe you. Thank you for the 8 months of Prime. 5 months in a row, though. You missed a month in there. Or several. I don't blame you. I probably was not streaming. Last two questions in chat are both yes. Third question is, my package.json runs cargo. All right, so this should now be sending. Wait, actually, I can't leak this, but I think this should be sending my authentication token up to the server, no? Oh, it's not working. There's no user. Okay, I can share my screen again. Yeah, there's no user. User's undefined. Well, actually, it's null. Why is that? Why is user undefined? Isn't it authenticated? Am I not authenticated? Let me see. No, I don't see it. Oh shit, wrong screen. Weird. I wonder if doing sign in via pop-up would work. Okay, that time it worked. Did it send my thing over to the network? Yes. It sent an auth token. That's so funny. The auth token sending up to the network is only half the size of the network sending me back the entire canvas. But it's undefined again when I refresh. Is there some kind of persistence I'm missing? I've done this before. I feel like... I don't know. Tan24 man, thank you for the 3 months of Prime. Barry Poggers. Barry Poggers. PogChamp. Detected. No. No user ID. Why? Why would it not do this? Firebase auth persist. Svelte kit. Take what you want, but you don't buy the time. Auth state persistence. Set persistence. Auth. Browser. Local persistence. Perhaps now, when I log in, not leaking my emails. See, there's my user ID once. And now it doesn't persist. Hello? Something, something, something. What if I have two tabs? Because it said that like it should duplicate across tabs. No, it didn't duplicate. Speaking of emails, how many applicants am I at now? Let me check. I've only gotten one new applicant today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27. Not bad. But this is bad. Also, I have to leave in 7 minutes. If you had to guess, 19 out of those are devs. Let me actually check. Well, this guy doesn't even say. Okay, probably dev. Dev. Designer and dev. Dev. Don't know. Dev for sure. Dev. What the fuck is this email? Has fancy formatting in it. Maybe designer. I can't really tell. Dev. Long email. Long dev. Okay. This one just has a resume. I'm not opening a resume yet. Dev. Just a resume. Dev. Resume only. Dev. Resume only. Dev. Oh, that's the last one. How many designers was that? Like 2? And more maybe if these resumes are designers. Well, I hope those 2 are really good. Advertise this with an art streamer. I don't know any art streamers except for Lily. I don't want to hijack her stream like that. Okay, so yeah, this is still not persisting my auth session. If I refresh, it's gone. Why would that be? Why would that possibly be? Why is it not saving? I know what we're doing. Opening up Squabble. Well, this looks like exactly what I'm doing currently. When I log in without leaking my email, it prints out the user ID from there. Does it store anything in the cookies? No. Maybe. There's a bunch of things in here now. SSID, NID. This is probably made by Firebase. What about in the IndexedDB? No. Session storage? No. Wait, Firebase auth user in the local storage. Wait, there. It's there in the local storage. It exists. I found it. But it's not loading into the application or something. Oh, I guess I have to leave, chat. Well, we got some stuff. Is this a single pixel? Or is this a lot of pixels? It's hard to tell. It's a lot of pixels. Ugh. Got some stuff done. About as much as can be expected for such a short stream. Oh yeah, we improved the zooming by a lot. Proud of that. I think that's a very good, important feature. And then tomorrow, I guess. Damn, I don't know how long I'm going to be able to keep getting up at 6 a.m. chat. But who knows? All right. Thanks for watching. What's the previous song called? These are all by James Ivy. Pretty goated artist. I'll raid Wandy, who has how many eyes at the end of her username? Is this right? Yeah, I think this is right. See you tomorrow, chat.